Hi everyone, I hope you are all well. Today's video is going to be about what I eat in a day. I'm going to show you how this rice cooker offers the easiest way to make perfect rice, but it is also a convenient way to cook a wide variety of foods. This rice cooker has a few different settings. I love the jump carb cooking function, which cooks the rice with a lower carb value, with condensation collector for easy cleaning and removable steam cap. Ceramic coated non-stick ninja inner bowl, stainless steel steam pot, and measuring cup, spatula, and ladle. This is the best oatmeal I ever had. It comes out really thick and creamy. Mix oats and the milk together in the rice cooker. Then close the lid and turn it on to the porridge setting, which cooks it at a lower temperature for a longer period of time. Give it a good stir and add the toppings of your choice. A rice cooker fritada is one of the easiest meals you can make. Grease the inside of the rice cooker. Whisk the vegetables, ham and eggs together in a bowl. Add salt and pepper. Pour them into the inner pot. Close the lid, switch to a slow cook setting, and cook until the eggs are done. Your fritada will cook to fluffy perfection. If I could only have a small appliance in my kitchen, definitely would be this rice cooker. I love it. The link is going to be in the description below. Switch to a slow cook setting. Add the oil to the rice cooker. When the base of the cooker pot gets warm, add the onions and garlic and fry for a few minutes. Then add the beef until evenly brown on the surface. Add the tomato puree, spices, and enough warm water to partially immerse the beef. Let it cook for 1 hour and then add the potatoes. Let it cook for another 1 hour and a half. Serve and enjoy. Do you cook in a rice cooker? Let me know in the comments below. See you next time.